How's it going, Delmarva? Thank you for tuning in. This is Chief Meteorologist Hunter out in the TV Delmarva Weather Center with an update for our winter storm. We're going to take a look at some weather headlines. We do have a few upgrades to some areas with the blizzard warnings that did extend a little bit more across areas of Delmarva. So we have blizzard warnings for all of South Jersey, all of Delaware, all of the Maryland Eastern Shore, besides Kent and Cecil counties. That goes into effect all the way through Monday evening. We have widespread winter storm warnings now in place throughout areas of northern Maryland, stretching from Baltimore, Annapolis, down throughout Lexington Park, as we're looking at that transition from that rain we were seeing earlier to now this heavy wet snow, and it's going to continue all the way through the overnight hours. Speaking of the overnight hours, here's what we're looking at. We will be looking at periods of snow throughout the night, and it will be very heavy at times as we're looking at snowfall rates on average of around 2 inches per hour. But there is the potential we could be looking at areas of thunder snow developing around midnight towards the early morning hours on Monday, and that will further enhance the snowfall rates potentially up to 3 inches per hour. Temperature-wise, 32 degrees tonight, with the winds increasing from the north 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting as high as 30. And then we continue towards your Monday. Periods of snow, snow rates 2 inches per hour, blizzard conditions continuing, with temperatures still staying the same in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Looking at Futurecast, we can see the evolution of this major winter storm as that transitions over from that rain to snow. And then later on this evening, we're going to be looking at very heavy snow across areas of the peninsula as the storm continues to wrap up. And if you notice, you see these heavier bands that move in from the Atlantic side. That is thunderstorms that will be slamming in towards the cold air heading around 11 o'clock this evening, and that continues all the way through the morning hours as we're going to be looking at consistently heavy snow even through your morning commute for Monday, all the way through the end of the day. Now, snowfall totals have gone up a little bit. We're looking at widespread areas, potentially 1 to 2 feet from areas of Salisbury, Ocean City, all the way up towards Wilmington, Delaware, including Dover, towards areas of Cape May. Areas across South Jersey near Vineland and Atlantic City had a shot of 15 to 25 inches, with even higher amounts possible the further north and east you go. A little bit less further south than Delmarva, 6 to 12 over towards Chincoteague, and looking at potentially 6 to 12 inches in areas of Annapolis, with a little bit less the further west you go.